out. Golden tulip.
Golden.
Charlie has something to say.
The golden tulip. We're not putting that in.
Yeah, that'll be fun to get all of our stuff. So you can get your soap here. It's like a dispenser and they give you little baggies.
Hi.
On the second floor. Hey guys, we're gonna go find dinner. Just someplace simple.
Would you rather
easy.
Whoa.
We're so veggie. Guys, good morning. There's Charlie. It's putting shoes on. But we just woke up and got ready, and now we're going to go to the beach, to the coast. After we get some breakfast. So yeah. We're heading out. We're gonna go find a car and drive to the beach. Yay. It's actually the softest sand, guys.
Ever.
Oh, beautiful. Okay, we're going to the water. There it is.
Are you gonna hear that?
Charlie with his arms full of things. But look at all that. Ooh. So we just finished up at the beach and we are gonna go find some lunch. It was so much fun and it's so nice out right now. Charlie, say hi.
Hey.
You look so tired.
In fact,
I know, I'm so tired.
They were like,
Charlie and I got carbonara. Got a pizza and then they got salads. Look at the sunset, it is so pretty. Hey, so we just checked out at the hotel and we're on our way to the Valdo Zone conference.
yeah, it's the first one.
Yes. Hey guys, I can probably be louder. Forgot to tell you, but we made it to the church. We just had the morning meetings. I think Charlie filmed the song. Right now, we're just going outside so that we can change into our clothes for the service activity. Which the service activity this time is gonna be a car wash. We're gonna have a car wash for anybody who wants a car wash, anybody who passes by, and it's gonna be great. So yeah, we're just gonna go change, but it's so nice outside. Stop. Charlie's just teaching us how to use the broom. I like the neon shimmer. Okay guys, so right now we're doing the car wash. All the missionaries are out and helping and there's people pulling in, like so many people are coming for this car wash. And it's so cool. We've had some great conversations. Okay, we made it to the hotel. Yay! Okay, it is currently 10:18. We made it to the hotel.
Had a few setbacks, but we okay.
Yeah, we're in Marseille. We finally made it home.